Hey, good evening, parents. We are so glad you're here, and students, and all the people that are here. This is Miss Lewis. We're so glad to have Miss Lewis with us this year. How are you doing?
I'm good. I'm so happy to be here.
Good, good, good. So we are at the open house tonight. The opportunity for you is to get see all the your students' teachers. Remember, tonight's not a conference, so the fact is we're only going to have about 10 minutes. We'll be ringing the bell. Actually, not ringing the bell. We'll be doing calling in announcements to the class to tell you to kind of move on to the next class. But this will give you an opportunity to kind of just generally get information about each teacher's class. So we are so happy you're here. We know with COVID we haven't been able to do this for a while, so we're really excited for you to be here. And again, you'll be moving through. We'll do 10 minutes each, and we're going to skip right through lunch. So sorry we're not providing lunch or dinner tonight.
No
So
snacks.
sorry about that. But we will have that, and then we won't have your 8th period as well. You're only going to go from 1st to 7th period. So with that being said, we just look forward to you again enjoying your night, and thank you for coming. And Miss Lewis, you got anything to say?
We're just happy you're here. We appreciate your continued support, and it's great to be a Bobcat.
That's right. Go Bobcats. Thank you.